You've never seen your field so effectively. The ridging hiller cultivates the soil in just a few hours, creating high-yield ridges. These machines are revolutionizing the cultivation of root vegetables, especially potatoes and tomatoes. Imagine how a machine sweeps and collects tons of salt from the shallow waters of the sea or salt lakes. The salt harvester is a beast specially designed for this job. This machine collects salt crystals with great care and efficiency, purifies them, and prepares them for processing. This huge combine harvester turns grain harvesting into a work of art. As one of Sampo Rosenlew's most advanced models, the Comia 12 is equipped with superior technology and high efficiency. If grain harvesting were a race, this machine would definitely be at the top of the podium. New Holland T7 270 trike stands out with its 3 wheels, unlike traditional tractors. This special design is known for its superior maneuverability and balance, especially in difficult terrain. Farmers can work faster and more efficiently with this tractor. The Woodcracker C550 is capable of cutting down giant trees in seconds. This powerful machine is perfect for felling trees, pruning branches, and making woodworking operations more efficient. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks, it makes managing forest areas easier. The Mulcher Picker /E is your ultimate helper in agricultural fields and landscape maintenance. This machine quickly cuts, shreds, and collects heavy weeds, branches, and other plant material. Clearing your fields or garden has never been easier. This machine is a revolution that changes the face of modern farming. The VBP Modelger 2016 is a silage bale wrapper with superior German engineering that simplifies and speeds up your agricultural work. Known for its impressive speed and efficiency, this machine turns fields into a concert hall. Every move is a symphony. The Meripeat MPR V6 literally transforms the peat harvesting process. Unlike standard methods, this giant can move quickly and efficiently through peat fields, collecting peat without damaging the soil structure. This not only increases productivity but also minimizes environmental impact and helps preserve natural habitats. The Trioliat Triattract 2 to 2000 guarantees effortless feed distribution and superior mixing quality. Its special design contributes to a balanced and healthy diet for animals by mixing different types of feed quickly and homogeneously. This not only improves animal health but also milk and meat yield. The Vicon Fast Bale stands out with its continuous baling ability. Unlike traditional balers, this machine has the ability to bale without stopping. This significantly reduces your time on the field and makes the baling process much more efficient. HariPilot autonomous robot stands out with its structure that can work completely independently. This robot has autonomous capabilities in field scanning and data collection, thus providing farmers with valuable information about their land. It collects all kinds of data from plant health to soil moisture, maximizing farm management. The Stihl FS450 stands out with its powerful engine and durable construction. This machine provides the power needed to easily cut even heavy grass and bushes. Ideal for professional users, this lawnmower maintains its high performance even during long-term use. The Fendt 412 Vario Simon RPNA is an excellent choice for precision farming applications. This tractor stands out with its compact design, offering maneuverability and a high level of control, especially in tight spaces. Equipped with the Simon RPNA system, this model is designed specifically for fruit picking and pruning, maximizing the efficiency of your agricultural work. Plant Machine PL40 has a high-capacity automatic planting system. This machine can plant thousands of plants per hour, making it a perfect solution especially for large agricultural areas. Its fast and efficient planting capacity ensures that the seeds are placed in the soil at the ideal depth and spacing, thus providing perfect conditions for plant growth. The ABEC 170 stands out with its all-electric engine, This eco-friendly machine offers zero emissions compared to traditional petrol lawnmowers, thus providing a cleaner environment and reducing operating costs. It is ideal for areas where silence is important, such as city parks, schoolyards, and hospital surroundings.